Hi guys, and welcome back to the Gourmet Grandad cooking channel. It's Rog here once again. Well, today I'm going to be using this guy, Tefal pressure cooker. It's a brilliant bit of kit, and I'm going to be cooking some delicious and succulent and tasty pork loin chops. And here are the ingredients that we're going to need. 2 lovely fresh pork loin chops that I've got here, some swede, some carrots, some peas, these were out of the freezer, some sliced mushrooms, some shallots I've got to peel and prepare, 3 potatoes, a good quality vegetable stock here, and for a bit of flavour I'm going to put some oregano in. I'm just going to give our pork a little bit of seasoning. And I'm going to do this on both sides. Then it's onto the hob with our pressure cooker. Pop in a little drop of cooking oil, not too much. Then in with our pork.
Because what we want to do is get a nice sear on both sides of our pork. This is going to add to the flavour that we're going to get at the end. We want to get it nice and brown, like this. Then we can go in with our shallots, pop those in. We've still got the oil cooking, give them a little bit of a stir. Then in with the stock, pop that in. Then the carrots, it's quite easy from here on in. Then our mushrooms, complete with the juices that have come out. Then we're in with our garden peas, still a little bit frozen, but that's okay. Then in with our swede and our potatoes. These are just your normal Maris Piper potatoes. And of course oregano, 1.5 to 2 teaspoons, should be ample. Now if you're worried about the potatoes breaking up, try this little trick. Wrap them in some tin foil before they go in. On with the lid, and this is going to take, I can tell you now, 13 minutes. Yeah, that's all. And then you end up with this. Now that's looking good. Underneath there is our delicious pork chops, and there they are on the plate. Beautiful. I can't wait to tuck in.
And tuck in I will. Well, just one word for that. Delicious, succulent, moist and very tasty. Please try this for yourself. Thanks for watching this video guys, and hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.